Open your design and go over to apps and search for type extrude. Yeah, this one. Open it, and this is the interface you will see. Let's click on the text and change in our text. We've typed our text. Let's go and change the font we want to see. These are all the fonts they have, and they are beautiful, but we'll be going with Anton. We'll go back to fonts. This is the Anton we choose. And let's start changing the alignment we want to use. You can choose to align it to the left, to the center, or to the right. Yeah, this aligned to the left. The line height, we can choose to reduce it. This is what it looks like. You can choose to increase the line height. Yeah, whichever one we choose, we will choose it to be reduced. So let's increase the border. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let's increase it more a bit. Yeah, we don't want that. Yeah, this is fine. Let's go to the angle. We can toggle the angle whichever direction to see what suits our design style. But this is okay for me. And we can decide to increase the length of the shadow. Let's take it to 900, which is the highest, and see what it looks like. Yeah. We'll reduce that. We can decide to change the colors. This is the shadow color and the font color. And we can decide to change it to black background or no background at all. And when we are through, we'll add that to our design. And start editing the design by scaling it out or leaving it as it is. But if you still want to further edit our design, if you don't like how it looks, you can go back into the design and edit what we want. When we are through, we can come back and update our elements.